Welcome to BLVD.com. I am Dan the Wheelchair Van Man. In front of us is a 2025 Toyota Sienna. This is the hybrid model with a BraunAbility front passenger Evo seat. That seat there is complete power. It rotates out, lowers down. We'll pick up the individual, put them into the vehicle. That's got a 370 pound capacity. At the rear, we've got the BraunAbility manual ADA ramp. This is DOT compliant in all 50 states. The optional two-person flip and fold jump seat would make this capable to support up to 7 ambulatory passengers. The electronic tie downs up front make it very, very easy to place them on the wheelchair at the bottom of the ramp, taking it in and out. Comes with these full-length running boards. These running boards are going to span the driver as well as the second row driver sliding door, assist with making entry and exiting a little bit easier. In the event that we're not going to utilize this ramp here for a wheelchair, maybe we need to haul some other items for a little bit. When we don't have this ramp in use, we can actually stow it parallel to the floor. So at that point, if we're not going to be using that ramp for some time, we can close that little junk trunk down below. At that point, open your traditional lift gate, get things in and out. Pretty neat feature if you ask me. One of the best features about this type of vehicle, being it's a rear entry, is the floor up front in the driver and passenger position is completely non-modified in any way, shape, or form. OEM center console. If you're looking to learn more about any of these products or see what else is out there, check out BLVD.com. You can subscribe to my channel. Got lots and lots of videos on here going through all the different type of product that is available on the market. Have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching, BLVD.com.